If you're looking to streamline your webinar follow-ups and improve your sales process, Salesflare can be a game changer. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to use Salesflare for effective webinar follow-ups, even if you're new to the software. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage this tool to automate your process and boost your results. And stick around until the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive extended free trial for Salesflare, available only through the link below. Salesflare is a powerful CRM tool designed specifically to help you manage leads and follow-ups more efficiently. When it comes to webinars, Salesflare shines because it automatically tracks interactions with leads, providing you with everything you need to nurture relationships after your webinar ends. First, you'll want to integrate your webinar platform with Salesflare. This is a simple process, and once done, you'll have all the data from your attendees right inside the CRM. From registration details to attendee behavior during the webinar, everything will be captured automatically. This means no more manual data entry or switching between different apps. Once your webinar data is inside Salesflare, it's time to start your follow-ups. The first step is to segment your leads. Salesflare allows you to tag contacts based on how they interacted with your webinar. For example, you can create a segment for those who attended the webinar, those who registered but didn't attend, and those who showed interest but didn't sign up. This segmentation is crucial for tailoring your follow-up messages and making them more personalized. Next, take advantage of Salesflare's automated email workflows. With Salesflare, you can set up an automated follow-up sequence that's triggered based on specific actions your leads take. For example, if someone attended your webinar, you can send them a thank you email with a link to the recording. If someone didn't attend, you can send them a link to the recording with a message that highlights key takeaways. Salesflare's automation goes even further. You can create reminders to personally reach out to leads who haven't engaged with your follow-ups, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Plus, Salesflare tracks every interaction, so you can easily see who's opening your emails, clicking on links, and taking action. This data helps you prioritize which leads need more attention. Another great feature is Salesflare's pipeline management. You can create a custom pipeline for your webinar follow-ups and move contacts through stages like interested, follow-up needed, or closed. This gives you a clear visual representation of where each lead stands and what action you need to take next. What really sets Salesflare apart is its AI-powered insights. The software automatically analyzes your lead interactions and provides recommendations on the best next steps. For instance, it might suggest reaching out to a particular lead who has engaged with your emails multiple times but hasn't yet booked a call. Now, if you're new to Salesflare, don't worry. The platform is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive, so you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. And the best part? You can try it out completely free by using the exclusive link below. By the end of this video, you should have a good understanding of how to use Salesflare for webinar follow-ups, from integrating your webinar platform to automating your emails and tracking leads with ease. And don't forget, the exclusive extended free trial I mentioned earlier is only available through the link below. So, take action today. Automate your webinar follow-ups and let Salesflare do the heavy lifting for you. Get started now and start seeing better results.